Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the sum of 6463291 and 4791801. So 1 plus 1 will give us 2, 9 plus 0 will be equals 9, 8 plus 2 will be equals 10. So we put 0 over here and we have 1 as a carry. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1, the one which we had in carry. So 4 plus 1 will be equals 5. Now 9 plus 6 will give us 15. So we put 5 over here and we have 1 as a carry. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So we put 2 over here and we again have 1 as a carry. So 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. So the final answer will be, therefore, let's write it like in this way: 6463291 plus 4791801 will be equals 112555092. So this will be the final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.